will give me. He's understanding, but he's just sighing. He's only laughing. Guys, if he is saying something, then don't mind it. He's just 3 years old. And hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, you know that I am in the journey of learning English and improving English communication skills. I came to my field to practice English because in house there is a kid who always makes a noise a lot. But guess what happened? He came to field also. Just see. He came to field and I am practicing my English. Then he is also speaking something and he was just asking that Fua, what are you doing? Fua, what happened? Why are you speaking like this? And what are you doing? Again and again he is speaking. I think he is a question bank. In question bank there are many questions that we have to solve it without any clue, without any answer sheet. The same thing he always asks me a lot. He asks me many questions that why are you doing like this, why are you doing, what are you doing, when will you finish this work, when will you go to the home, why have you came here. There are many type of questions that he always asks me, but many questions I ignore. Many questions are so important, that's why I just answer it. We shouldn't ignore all the questions. They have also emotions, they have questions, they want their answer, that's why they ask. So just see how is speaking. He just plugged one lemon. You can just see. You can just see. Wait, I will show. Show me your lemon. Lemon. Nimbu. Show me. Just he is hiding the lemon because this was not big. He plugged it. That's why he. Don't do like this. Now he doesn't understand English well, but later he will understand it. I know, and I will teach him too. So, will you speak something? When I asked again, I will ask. Just see. Will you speak something? Yes, he will speak. So, I will ask something. He will say. So, just say. What is your name? He is just sighing. He is only laughing. You find it? I think he is not understanding. That's why he is showing his lemon. Will you give me? He is understanding, but not properly. But later he will understand. So I will say to plug one more lemon. You go and plug one more lemon. He laughs.
Oh my God.
Guys, if he is saying something, then don't mind it. He is just 3 years old and he is understanding if this type of English, and he is he always tells me that I will make video with you, but I ignore him. Sometimes I make video with him, but if you will tell me that you want the yes
क्या बनाना है?
video, yes, say them to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Subscribe
How do you say subscribe my YouTube channel?
channel,
Like and subscribe
and subscribe
to my
to my
channel.
channel.